Jingyu & Company is a professional production of filtration products enterprises. It can provide customers with high-quality, high-efficiency oil or mineral oil products, filters, and purification equipment to help customers solve oil purification problems. The JYDX40 membrane separation fine filtration system controls the cleanliness of diesel fuel in the fuel supply chain, and we cooperate with customers to provide them with complete diesel filtration and purification equipment and solutions. Flexible membrane filtration system for durability, safe operation and easy maintenance. DX40 is a modular design product. Customers can customize this product according to different flow needs, using Jingyu advanced membrane filter material, can balance oil flow and filtration effect, allow maximum flow while effectively filtering targeted impurities and moisture, can achieve high efficiency under the condition of minimum back pressure and maximum flow. Multidirectional uniform membrane microporous structure makes it have excellent filtration and separation performance, and can implement cleaning and backwash operations. Jingyu products are all over the world, and the application is the best.